So hello guys and welcome back to our official YouTube channel. In this videos we are going to talk about one of the important product of the mutual fund that is called as SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. So in this product I'm going to share you my experience, how was my experience with the SIP, how it generated the returns for me, that we are going to see with the help of the one example which I will show you my portfolio. Actually it is in my portfolio there are the 3 to 4 SIPs are already it is there, but out of that 3 to 4 SIP I have made a redemption request when the COVID-19 pandemic it get started at that time. But there is a one SIP which I have not made a single redemption, and this is my first SIP which I have started in the month of May 2018. So this is my first SIP. That's why I have decided that I will not do any kind of the redemption in this SIP. It is here and it is a very small and it's a minimum amount it is there. That is only a 200 rupees SIP it was there. So entire portfolio of this SIPs I will show you with you. I will share you my experience also with you. So how was my journey it get started? So already I told you in May 2018 I have started my SIP in Reliance Small Cap Fund. Later on names get changed. Now it is become the Nippon India Small Cap Fund. Okay, so near about it's a 40 month I have completed. It means more than 3 years I have completed in this SIP here. And today this 200 rupees SIP total my investment in this SIP it is 8,000 rupees. It will be the total investment, and now the current value of this SIP is 15,641 rupees it is here. So it generated 95.53% return for me it is here. So actually this is the absolute return. Don't go on the absolute return. Whenever you are going to see the SIP returns, always give preference to a CAGR return. The CAGR returns gives you the clear-cut pictures related to that particular scheme, how it generated the returns for the investor. So when I have entered the entire values into the SIP calculator, just 200 rupees per month, 40 month, and that just you made some kind of the changes into the return. So you will able to come to know that it generated 41.5% return for me in just 3.5 years. And actually why I have get this kind of the returns to me it is there. The reason behind this return is that two crash which I have ever seen in this more than 3.5 years duration. One crash that I have seen it is here, that is called as the oil prices. Suddenly into the international market the crude oil prices started rising it is here, near about just it touched to $90 per barrel it is here, or more than that also it was there. That time markets give a negative reaction because India is the import the 80% of the crude oil from the other other countries it is here. So that's why our current account deficit it started increasing it is here. That's why the market gives the negative reaction and the market get corrected at that time. So after a few months, later on the crude oil prices it came down and market start recovering and it started the next journey it will be here. So this is the one small correction that I have observed when just I have started my SIP. It is in May 2018. In October we saw the crude oil price crash. Then after that you can see that the mega crash, the one of the biggest crash into the market that I have seen first time into my life, it is called as the COVID-19 pandemic crash. You see that 2008 recession where the Lehman Brothers get collapsed it is here. So you can see after 2008 recession, this is the first time in 2020 because of the COVID-19 pandemic market get corrected nearly 40%, and at that time I have made a redemption into my other SIP, but this SIP I have not made a single redemption. I have continuously invested and invested and invested into it, and you see that this SIP has generated a maximum returns for me. Actually this is the small cap fund. Here the risks also it is the more, and returns also it will generate the more as compared to mid cap and the large cap fund. But this SIP it gives you the best return as compared to other SIPs here. So that's why I'm telling to you, SIPs are that kind of the product which generate a faster wealth for you as compared to the other financial product it is available into the market. SIP, the risk is also it is the involved. So before taking any kind of the risk, you can contact your financial advisor, get aware of this product, and then you can start investing into this kind of the product. Not by seeing my video it is here. So risks also it is the involved. You have to invest despite of the any kind of the condition or any kind of the correction or the crash it is there. So that is my experience. So whenever the next crash it will come, correction it will come, I will keep investing. I will not do any kind of the redemption, because I know that market get recover after few months it will be here. And the last important is the discipline, which is the most important part in the everyone's life. It is required. Discipline is required. Not put all the monies into the mutual funds or the stock market, or not in the any other financial product. You should have to decide how much monies that you want to invest into it. So these are the three things keep into the mind. SIPs gives you decent return. SIPs are providing the compounding returns, so it can generate the faster wealth. And don't put all your monies into the any of the single scheme like the mutual fund or the stock market. Diversify your investment into the different product. Okay, so that's it all about this my video, and thank you for watching my video. If you like this my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.